Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vijeta here. We are at episode 19, League of Extraordinary Startups. And thank you so much to the Vidphone team. So, for those who don't know, I am from Thai Bangalore. So, just trying to do as much activities around the ecosystem, get founders, startups, entrepreneurs from all over India to talk about their journey, their innovation, and the amazing work that they're doing. So, today we have Sumit from RTI Wala, a very interesting journey. Someone who has redefined the envelope of how to grow and how to build community, and at the same time, make profits and do some great work. So, Sumit, very, very good afternoon.
Thank you, Vijita, and all the audience being us live.
Great, great. So, I know that you are a very active person on the various WhatsApp groups of Madhya Pradesh, but I would like you to very crisply tell us how's things with you. Tell us about your startup and where you are right now.
Okay, so I'm currently at a very small town, Sivini Malwa. It's near 112 kilometer away from Bhopal. And yes, I'm a little active on social media and WhatsApp as well. It's all sorts of learning for me.
Fantastic, Sumit. That was a crisp one. So, in the last 6 months, a lot has changed, Sumit. Okay,
Yeah.
but we have been having some conversations over the last few days,
Mhm.
and you have been also following the various activities you're doing across the community. What has changed for you in the last 6 months? For you, your team, the way you're functioning, the way your customers or partners are, collaborating with you. Can you give us a crisp overview?
Yeah, certainly. So as things has drastically changed for each and every one of us. So at the beginning, yes, we do have very negligible sales in month of April and May, and we even were forced to suspend our logistic operations as there was no red movement. India Post were not taking the this what you call parcels as such. So we have suspended the logistic operations, but we pivoted little bit. We and give more trust to consultation, and things are working fine now, much better.
Fantastic, Sumit. So, what is the specific, accurate service that you provide, Sumit? Can you capture that for us?
Yes, exactly. So we help you people in drafting filing RTA applications. You may be surprised to know that around 92% of Indian population doesn't know about their right to information, and the power this particular act gives you. It can help you in getting constructed the roads. It help you in getting constructed the any infrastructure. So we help them in filing RTI application and accessing their right to information.
Okay, very interesting. And and what can you give us an overview as to what is the kind of customers that you have as such?
Perfect. Yeah. So we are serving the Bharat as well as the India, the bottom of the pyramid as well as the highest echelon. There was a peon to whom we help drafting filing. It was we are the first platform, and it was his first experience of opting for online transactions, making an online purchase. And then there was a senior bureaucrat, very senior bureaucrat from MHA, who to whom we helped.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
And Sumit, I want to understand one thing, right? I mean, where were you say in March, April? You did explain about the challenges you are facing, and now it's all online.
Yeah.
How has your audience, your community, your the various ways that you have grown? Give us some statistics.
Yeah. So as of now, the current number of users we have is 86,982. The current one I'm telling you, and last week we acquired around 1,200 users. Most of our user acquisitions come through our website as well as WhatsApp. So we have the second biggest platform for us was the WhatsApp. Every day we get at least 200 to 300 people calling us, messaging us, coming reaching us on WhatsApp as such. So
Okay,
that's a, yeah,
very nice, very nice. So I think WhatsApp is a very critical tool for you, right? But
exactly.
I would want to tell me something. I am right here now
Yeah.
and talking on video. So
Okay.
how smartly can founders work out, video sales, communication with the team? How can they do that?
Perfect. There are two, three things. There's one beautiful tool I wish to share with you. That's a Hippo video. Okay, I'm just sharing. It's based by India-based founder Hippo video. That's on the chat. Okay. So that's one tool. You can use it to communicate with your clients, with your user. You can share a video, your product information directly. In this crucial time, I wish every founder have a very great and clear communication with their users, with their clients, with their customers as such. Whether it's B2B or B2C. And for our internal team, earlier we were using Flock. Okay, now we are using a Lark suite. Okay,
Very
so
nice.
yeah, this is a tool we are using, and we are from November we are going to move to Chanty as such. Okay, because we are extensively using very good set of tools, and they are seriously like they are very great. It reduces the cost, it reduces increases your productivity.
Okay, very interesting, very interesting. So, Sumit, tell me something, right? I mean, you said that you have a team now of almost 16 people, if I'm not mistaken.
Correct.
So, so how are you guys coordinating and keeping in touch and being super productive? Because that is so important for founders today, right?
Yeah, I totally agree, and you may be surprised to know, Vijita, like every day there's around 30 minutes read about productivity, whether it's on Reddit, whether it's on other forums. So what we are using, we have met some rituals, some processes. We have daily stand up with every single team member every day for at least 10 minutes, but there will be we will ask just three questions. What are you doing? Are you facing any problem? Okay, what's the next task you have?
Okay, very good. So you coordinate and you make sure that everyone is motivated as well because it's not easy. Okay.
Exactly.
So I want to understand one thing, right? I'm sitting in Bangalore. You're
Mhm.
sitting in a small town in Madhya Pradesh. What are the challenges that you face in small towns?
To be
No?
honest, there was no big challenge we faced as such, except just explaining people what we are doing and how we are doing as such. They were still thinking that we are doing something online, but they don't know what we are doing. And when they see my paper photographs in the paper, in the other such posters, they were just amazed. Oh my god, this guy is still doing something good. He is getting awards. So certainly, he is doing something great.
Okay, very interesting. Huh? So, I mean, and you are at home now. Are you with your family? How does it work?
Yeah, I'm with my family. So since lockdown, to be honest, Wichita, we are the one of the rare startup in India who's remote first from the day zero. We learned a lot from different startups, from Silicon Valley startups as such, and they are working remote first, like Zapier. There's Buffer and so many startups. They were doing it so massive, greatly, and we are just following them tooth and nail, and we're just applying those systems and processes.
Interesting, very interesting. So, Sumit, as you are progressing, as you're growing, a few questions that I want to ask you, and I'm sure the audience also wants to know. Are you bootstrapped, angel funding, seed funding? What is your story around that?
We are totally bootstrapped. We have received 6 to 7 sincere investment offers, and luckily we have all gone audited, and we are revenue. We become profitable, and we are revenue surplus at this very stage.
Okay, very interesting. And are you interested in raising funds at some point of time? Are you open to that?
Yeah, we are quite open to it, and even we are at very advanced level of discussion. Maybe in next 3 months, or at least in next 16 15 weeks, there will be a good news from us.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful, my friend. Thank you so much. And are you the only co-founder, or do you have any other partners, or how does it work for you?
Yeah, so I have my brother Gaurav Mahendra is a co-founder. He's handling marketing as such. He's one of famous influencer of Bangalore, food influencer.
Okay, nice. I didn't know that. So you'd love to get connected with him. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
certainly.
interesting. That's very interesting. Sumit, I know you have a few slides that you can very quickly show us something.
Yeah, certainly. Please give me a minute. Just a minute. So I hope everyone can be able to see my screen.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this is how we started in 2017. We started it as just a blog. We have no thought, no nothing in mind that we are ever going to convert it into a startup and grow further. So it was just a startup, And guess what? On the first day itself, we got a boom, and this boom get a boomerang till next 3 months as such. If you could see, there was a screenshot from the my mobile that your stats are booming, RTL is getting lots of traffic. And throughout the whole next 3 months, it was the scenario for us. Big media houses are calling us, people are flocking on our website from every nook and corner, mostly the senior IAS bureaucrats and politicians as such, people who loves some crispy tadka news as such.
Okay.
In more less than a month, we have a partnership with very big startups of that time, Scoop, Whoop, India Today, Witifid. And this was the statistics. If you could see, yeah,
Yeah,
our
yeah.
thrice we changed our domain from from WordPress, then we moved to org, and finally we moved to .com. So this was the stats of January as such when we switched to .com, and we were leading in 4 out of 6 parameters vis-a-vis our competitors: News Laundry, Catch News, the print as such. Though traffic visits are quite less because it was the first domain for us. And and this was the first transaction which we collected as such in June 2018. Okay, and since then this is the current status. These are just few clients to whom we served, not just individual but very big companies. If you could see, Times now has featured us on their news. If you Google TOI and RTI, you may realize Ben and Co, to whom we charge $200 for 10 minutes and 20 minutes of consultation as such. And at present, there's more than 86,000 users. This was our first poster when we hired. Okay, we put for the hiring when even we were not incorporated as a company. And this is the current team. Are you able to see this, Vijita?
Yeah, of course, I can see it.
Perfect.
It's
Yeah.
perfectly clear. Thank you.
Right. And this is like, it's not just money and hard work. It's there are massive success. You will feel so good when you were awarded by Deputy Chief Minister Gujarat in front of Amazon President and Microsoft CEO Mehul Patel. And there are so many big persons who are awarding, clapping for you. So that's really mesmerizing moment for us, once in a lifetime opportunity. And then comes the media. People don't know about awards, but when they see young people's small town guys photographed on the paper, yes, they realize that there's something they are going. And these are the few clips we have said. I've been featured more than 25 times. And these are what for us matters, not the money, not the profit, not any award, but the customer experience. We have just received 2 4 star and all 5 star ratings, and out of them, thousands 13,000 plus orders we processed, there were just 3 refunds. So okay, this any further question you have for on it?
No, no, that's fine. That's fine, Sumit. Continue. If you
Okay.
want to, how did you prepare yourself to grow? I mean, what makes you nervous about life and growth, Sumit?
Okay, so let me share thing. Like in 2017, I was preparing for civil services earlier. Okay, I made it to interview twice, and then in 2017 I cleared bank exam as well. But there was one bank exam. There was one exam bank in which I was to enter, and I just sort of 0.25 marks. And so I thought, no, and this, if not then if not this, then nothing. It would be something else. Okay, and then I launched this blog. Parallelly, I got 2 3 great amazing offers as well, even one from a company which become a unicorn at
Okay,
that time. Yeah.
very interesting. Very interesting. So, and who are your mentors and coaches, Sumit? Who do you talk to? Who do you stay
Exactly.
in touch with?
Yeah. So my mentor is Mr. Sam Mallikarjun. He's a Boston-based angel investor. He's the owner of a NFL team, and earlier he was chief revenue officer of Flock, and he was also C-suite executive at HubSpot. So he's one of the fantastic person I've ever met as such. And luckily, we met it through Flock. Like, I have given some feedback about the Flock, and that's how we encounter. And then second person is Mr. Ronald Fernandez. He's one of he's CEO of our incubator, and he's one of the great guy who worked so many at so many places.
Which incubators, Sumit?
Yeah, it's Atal Incubation Center, RNTU, Rabindranath Tagore University,
Okay, and where is it based out of? In
Bhopal.
Kolkata or
No, Bhopal.
Bhopal?
Yeah,
Oh, very nice. I would love to get in touch with him, please. I would love an introduction. Okay.
yeah,
I mean,
certainly.
because I see. I'll tell you why, Sumit. See, because we should also see how we can, interact with more and more founders, startups, entrepreneurs, give them more and more information about what are the tools that are there, how they can grow,
Yeah,
market opportunities, etc. All right.
certainly.
Fantastic, fantastic. Sumit, so the other question that I want to ask you is, what are your other, okay, you talked about some of the tools that you're using
Yeah.
also, and how do you refresh yourself? How do you make sure that day in, day out, you have to stay focused, you have to bring in money, you have to take care of your team, you're responsible. So
Yeah.
what is your routine as such? How do you make sure that you're always strong and tough and ready for anything?
Perfect. So that's one of the best question, Vijita, for conversion. So my morning ritual starts from 8 as such. From after doing a daily business, from 8 to 10, I make a note. I make a habit. I have made a habit that at least there would be 2 hours of continuous reading, listening, as such, which includes around 20% news and rest all this blogs and podcasts. This is one fantastic app I'm using. I'm just typing the name, and I suggest you also try this.
Okay.
Palabre. Okay. So the best thing about this app is that like it takes all the blogs. Like I have a OXML file as well. I will share it someday. So it has some of the world's best blogs, best news startup news portals as such. And I just scroll it continuously, and you may surprise to know that in the next like 2 hours from 8 to 10, I read around 150 160 pages, just skimming all through.
Wow. That's impressive, man.
Yeah,
that's a that's a lot of work. So okay, you have put all these things down, but I guess we'll have to get, if you can manage some links, it'll be okay also, buddy. I know
okay,
you've written, if you can, as we're talking, right, just put some links also out.
okay.
And any books that you read. Okay, I know you read blogs, you're talking to mentors, you talked about this, the various people that you're refreshing yourself with and other things, but you also read some books, any inspirational books that you have that
Yeah,
in the past 5 years or whatever.
yeah. So yes, I do read, but this year and last year, it was my reading has been quite less. Like last year on Goodreads, I had read 77 books as such. But this year I just completed three, and most of them are the audio books. So these are some apps like I have taken the subscription as such. Okay, and premium subscription.
Okay, that's very interesting, huh? So
Yeah.
Sumit, no regrets, right? That you that startup journey, the entrepreneur journey is not a problem for you. You're okay.
Yeah, I'm quite okay, and even it's very exhilarating from me as such. This was the app I was suggesting you, but though the
Okay.
found the developer has stopped making updates, but it's one of the best app I've ever come across.
Interesting, interesting. Very nice, Sumit. So tell us a little bit more about who are the other founders that you're talking to. I know that you're very active in the Madhya Pradesh ecosystem. You're part of many WhatsApp groups, etc., etc. But how do you keep in touch with founders, and what are the founders talking about these days? What are the challenges?
Yeah. So for them, the biggest challenge is like how like it. To be honest, there are many founders to whom I have spoken. They were on the survival mode as such, and there are founders who were also looking for a job, freelancing. So that's really situation is quite serious at the ground in terms of some founders who have not been little bit proactive about the situation or such scenarios. But
Okay.
yes, people are started learning, like they know there should be things they should work upon. There are instances when they have to pivot and pivot or perish. That's a clear cut mandate at this moment for us.
Excellent, excellent. So now, look, there is no conferences, there are no big meetings, etc., right? How are you networking? How do you use video and webinars, etc., to network, get to meet people? What are you doing about that, Sumit?
Yeah, for me, the best networking tool is Twitter. Like, there's seriously, like, if you ask me, you have a chance to get 1 lakh US dollar and buy as many books as you want, or you want to stay for on Twitter. I will choose Twitter. So Twitter is,
Interesting.
yeah, like it's the best thing.
Okay, so but I mean, a lot of other people would say they have something called there's Medium, there is LinkedIn, which writes a lot of articles. A lot of people use YouTube. Okay, So are you also creating content for other channels also, Sumit, apart from your website? And I know that your target customers might be slightly different also, but
Yeah.
what else are you doing? How are you giving information out to your community?
Yeah, so for us, the biggest channel to disseminate the information is Quora. Okay,
Okay.
if you see that I'm on the top three most viewed author for right to information, and people are asking about right questions related to right to information, RTI first appeal on Quora. So there we are disseminating information as such, and then we are putting back it to our blog.
Okay. So basically, you're showcasing your knowledge, your thought leadership, right? That's what Quora is all about, isn't it?
Exactly.
Fantastic. Yes. And also, you have to be very careful not to be a spammer.
Yeah, exactly. So
Huh?
yeah, even like there was instances where people they ask question, then they see that I'm not able to respond, so they come to a website, then they ping me on Twitter, they ping our team on Twitter. That's how things work.
Interesting. So, Sumit, you mentioned that your brother is your co-founder, isn't it?
Yeah, correct.
Apart from family, do you have any other co-founder, or is it just the two of you?
No, it's just two of us. Though my younger brother is also a lawyer, and
Ah,
he's also doing some drafting work, and he may also join us soon. Though he's preparing for those judicial exams, but he's going to join us soon.
ah. So very interesting, because I'll tell you why. If you see a chat, there is something from Ashish. He's saying that most of the startups is finding a CTO, okay, because of various things, cash crunch, CTO, etc. So any thoughts around that? Are you looking to expand your leadership team, give equity to someone from outside if they can bring something really high quality? What are you
Yeah,
looking at?
of course. So we started with a very lean approach, Asis, and that's my humble suggestion to every founder. There are so many open source tools, platforms which you can start with, and then slightly grow. As and when you have money, as you have traction, certainly if the people comes and started joining you, we do have we don't have a CTO, but we do have a CTA, Chief Technical Advisor, as such. And when we raise Series A or pre-Series A, we will going to onboard him as our CTO.
Okay, fantastic, fantastic. And I mean, if I can just give one input here, see, as you know, I'm from TIE Bangalore. I used to be with NASCOM, the Center of
Yeah,
Excellence. Always I'm meeting startups and founders all the time, and this is for Ashish and all the other founders. Look, think about this, okay? It is not just about getting now that you have a need for a CTO. The CTO is a very precious person, a very precious commodity with great skills and knowledge. They can command a lot of money as a salary with any of the top 15, 20 tech companies.
correct.
Okay. So it is not about finding a CTO. A CTO knows about you or will be willing to join you if they get something really worth it, not just about a salary, but they must also be seeing that, okay, yeah, I bring all the technology and on me, you're building the company. What do you bring in as a founder, etc., etc. So it's a very carefully thought through situation because you have to be valuable to the CTO and not just the other way around. Okay,
Correct.
because today you have to respect that people from the technology background they do amazing things, and that's the question that I want to ask you. Right? You said, I mean, are you from a technology background, a lawyer background? How do you build your product? How are you building?
And neither I'm from neither of those background, but yes, I have a good knowledge, programming knowledge. I learned I'm a kind of autodidact. So I learned HTML, I learned PHP, working on Python as such.
Ah, amazing. So you are white at not junior, but white at senior to the next level. And how do you learn? But again, so when you say learn, are you using some platforms, people, tools? How do you learn?
Yeah, so I do have one amazing app as such. So just a minute, huh? And secondly, this for like Code Igniter. Okay, there was two of my friends who has a YouTube channel. Okay, so
Ah,
from there I used to learn about PHP Code Igniter as such. So there are you just Google on YouTube. Do a YouTube search, and there are people channels who have the massive followership. Opt for them. Go for them.
okay,
Yeah, just a minute.
interesting.
Yeah.
Hang on, no worries, Sumit. Take your time. You're sharing some very good information for the entire community and the startups, Sumit. Thank you for that.
So Solo Learn is my favorite app as such.
Okay, nice, amazing, man. You're like a machine, huh? You're like boom, 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 boom. See, I'll tell you right now. I mean, people, I understand and appreciate the fact that not everyone is a digital native, but
Yeah,
having a learning mindset and wanting to acquire knowledge and skills, I think that's what companies also care for. Investors will also care for that, and I think the community will benefit when you add skills and you improve your product. That's so good for the entire ecosystem and stakeholders and your customers. Fantastic, Sumit. It is very inspiring. Okay, Sumit, so slightly changing the track. In the last 6 months, some very, very down moments for you, and how did you manage to come out of it?
yeah. So the recent most downest moment is just around 10 days back. My uncle got tested COVID positive.
Oh, sorry, sorry,
So,
sorry.
it's yeah. So it was quite shocking for us. Our home got locked. We suspended our logistic operations again, and then I too having a breathing problem, but still I've recovered quite well. And our results are going to come soon again. The second results. So yes,
Okay,
that was the most down earning point. But to be honest, it's since past 1 week, it was a roller coaster ride. We got four amazing news as such. First one is that we got a best attorney joining us as a mentor soon. Okay, we got in touch, and a big thanks to Ty Delhi who connected us. And then
good, good.
yeah, then second, I recently won around $100 prize in a giveaway. So things are quite good.
Awesome, awesome. Now, Thai Delhi, I shout out to them. There's Geetika, who's my counterpart, executive
Yeah,
director, and
Geetika Dayal.
Ruchita Handa is there, and Upasna is there, Nitin Agarwal is there. Then so many wonderful people, Kuldeep, Minal, all of them very hardworking, contributing and doing superb work. In fact, just to let you know, to everyone and also to you, Sumit, we have been working together every Thursday, 10 o'clock. We have been doing something called this B2B Sales Academy.
Yeah, I've watched three episodes of it.
Okay, yeah, exactly. So it's Thai Bangalore and Thai Delhi that's coming together and doing this.
Yeah,
And we are, I mean, we have got some amazing support. We have some top-notch people from Cisco, from NetApp, from Sequoia himself. Rajan Anand is there, and Ravindra Krishnappa, and all very senior people who are coming in and working with us to make sure that the right quality on sales. Because without sales, how will you grow? Okay. And I just want to come back to Ashish's question also, right? He's talking about his cash crunch. And so how did you apply for these grants? How do you find out about these grants? And the government has got a lot of schemes. For example, we have some schemes at the government of Karnataka, the Elevate program, etc., right? So how do you do your research work, find out about all these things, Sumit? Which are the ways that you connect and discover or research? How do you do it?
perfect. So what I did, there's one bread hack I'm sharing at this moment. Okay, there were some personalities, some people on Twitter. Okay, they were just resharing, tweeting this, and you are one of them. So I'm following them on Twitter. I have turned on the notifications for them, and every day around 8 p.m. I just visit their profiles and check what are the new updates, what are the latest things they have.
Okay. Do you follow any kind of there's TechCrunch is there, then there's Y Combinator, then there is so many other, of course, apps or blogs or whatever. Do you follow any of these things, Sumit?
Vichita, that particular platform, Palabri, I told you, so it has around,
Okay.
say, 700, 800 subscriptions of all those blogs, all those websites.
Okay. All
It's
right.
kind of RSS feeder for me.
Okay. So you should teach people how to get RSS feed done, no?
Yeah. Even I'm going to share that XML file soon as such.
Okay.
So
Done, done.
you just
Fantastic.
import it, and you would thank me later for next 2.5 years as such.
So I will also take up this with you, Sumit, that I want you to write a blog, a series of blogs. We have, Thai Bangalore, we have got a resource free. Again, it's all for free. We give it out to people. And we get people to contribute rather than us putting any gyan, no gyan. It's only about knowledge, resources, growth hacks, insights, founders, sharing about anything, right? It could be about IP, it could be about the video, it could be about, like the tools that one can use, etc., etc. So I will reach out to you for that, Sumit. Okay?
Yeah, certainly. And
If,
to my to our viewers, I want to tell them that they should take Thai membership as well. This is the best website, Thai Institute. Like most of the videos are there. Okay. A big shout out for the Thai team, Thai Global, everyone.
Thank you so much. In fact, there's a Thai global conference happening from Thai Chennai.
Yeah.
We had recently organized, of course, this was at 8 o'clock in the night, where we did something on 30th of September. It was about quantum computing and the funding opportunities in quantum computing. So we are doing a lot of these free sessions. We are sharing a lot of resources. Please use it. Yes, we would love to have members to come on board and be with Thai. And of course, again, a shout out to Jagat and his team at Vidphone that, they're also hustlers, but they're willing to come on board, create resources and write blogs and create lots of, as I said, this is the 19th episode we are doing, by the way,
Yeah,
Sumit, and you have been following that. I think you have been seeing all that.
I've
So
been seeing that on Twitter.
yeah. So like we can try to do that. And do you rely on? Tough question maybe, but see, what about cloud credits? What about services that you have to pay a lot of money for? How do you negotiate or reduce those costs?
Yeah, Vichita, that's one of the best question and
Tough
very
questions,
valuable.
I know, but still.
And if you see that, you may realize that I'm the one of the best negotiator in my opinion, or even in the founder's opinion as such. So there are many SaaS founders, and I'm very very good at testing their tools. I test thoroughly, intensively, and extensively, and then share the feedback with them. And then I tell them that if you could provide me for a lifetime or maybe for next 5 years of it, I would help you not only improving your product but also launching one product and getting 1,000 plus votes.
Ah, no, very nice of you, man. Very nice of you. And Sumit, what I'm going to do now, I think we have 1 minute. Let me just check that Jagat is coming online. So I'm just taking Jagat online.
Okay.
Hey, Jagat.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing? Nice shirt. Nice bright orange, energizing Saturday weekend shirt.
Red.
Yeah. So by the way, I'm wearing a t-shirt from one of our partners, Bud Start, that is from AB and Bev. They make all those beers. So we have been doing a lot of work with them, guys, on startups, connecting, etc., etc. So Jagat, how's it going with you?
Fantastic. I think it's really wonderful to have Sumit. I think he had some issues with the connection and the
Yeah,
trial, but
but
I
now
think
it's smooth as butter,
It's
isn't it?
it's
Super
good.
super smooth now. Super smooth.
So that's nice. I think we should talk about that, Jagat. I think
I think
Akhil from
Akhil is the man. Akhil
yeah,
is the man, and
Akhil spent more than 1 hour and set this up. In fact,
he
my wife Pushpa is also, she's a yoga trainer, she's a yoga teacher, and she has been using the Vidphone platform. And Akhil has actually been coming, and I don't know if he's watching the yoga or whatever, but at least he's making sure he's making sure that everything is very smooth in the back end. Right. And I think that's something, of course, scaling up, you can't do that. But Jagat, it's great that you're giving this personalized support and service to lots of people. Thank you
yeah.
for that,
I
Jagat.
think I must say, all thanks to Akhil. I think the question also on the CTOs. Akhil is my fourth CTO in my career.
Okay.
And I must say that he is the best amongst all the people I worked in 10 years by far. Uh, I think he's watching this, and I've told him also, I think pound for pound, he's one of the best developers today in the country.
So he's going to put on 10 kilos, Jagat. Be careful.
He's already I think he's putting on some weight.
Good. So Jagat, we were just talking about this, right? Sales, building community, getting more and more customers. Everything needs to be done remotely,
Yeah.
and video plays an important role, whether it's webinars or meetings or the widgets, etc. Right?
Yeah.
So for Sumit, considering what he is doing, some inputs for him and founders like him, Jagat, what can be done?
Right. I think Sumit's got a very interesting business, I must say. RTI Wala, what a wonderful name also, and doing it from MP. I think really hats off to you, Sumit. Really wonderful the kind of growth that you've had. Yes, one of the things you said is you maintain the confidentiality of your lawyers,
Yeah.
and obviously there's an option instead of using a normal IVR or a phone system.
Yeah.
You can use you can use Vidphone through the audio. I would say the main thing about your business is the webinars. I think people need to know really about RTI. Of course, it's there in the paper, people know it, but to the common man, look, I don't think any of us here have filed an RTI complaint or
Yeah.
inquiry, right? And that's really your the main thing, awareness. See, yours kind of comes in the line of almost activism and politics, right?
Mhm.
And I've always said, I was in fact one of the largest political parties. I helped them with their digital strategy in 2014. I think you know who I'm talking about. Handled the entire state digital campaign back then. And I must say that every person today needs to be a part-time activist.
Correct.
That is the way it should be. We all, we no matter what business you do, if the whole country is shut, there is no point of doing any business. So
Correct.
one of the things, I think the main thing is awareness. I think you're doing a very unique kind of business. Definitely, you need to do some webinars, and I think you have so much of charisma as well. You must go out and tell people, tell young people to be activists. At least I'm not saying go out on the road and be have
Yeah,
violence and stuff, but
exactly.
at an intellectual level, right? You spread that knowledge to people, how important it is to keep to ask these questions, and how the process you can really help. That would be first. Then secondly, probably you can have an interaction, once maybe the lawyers, the confidentiality you're able to solve. I think the moment you put people face to face, this could be your premium model as well, right? Because you're really charging for the value of the lawyers. So I think these are a couple of areas we could always discuss. I mean, I think it's a wonderful project. We always like to support amazing initiatives, and happy to take it. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think. Sorry, Sumit. Continue.
Yeah. So, Jagat, this is one of the fantastic idea. We have planned a campaign which we have slashed. It was Aatmanirbhar with RTI Wala, and now we are going to restart the campaign in the month of November. And this time, that Aatmanirbhar with RTI Wala will be on India's platform. Zoom Revel. That's with phone.
Thank you. Thanks so much. And we're happy to support, and really our I think right, 18, 19, 19th episode today. And I think Vijeta and I think all thanks to Vijeta as well, is just a rock star. Our goal is to just, once we have got this ball rolling, it's critical to keep it rolling. That's very important. In fact, yesterday I was talking to one of our friends as well. I will just take Shubhanjan as well of Pitchlink. I think Vijeta was sharing with you. And we were also discussing on similar lines, right? Saying that starting up is easy.
Yeah.
Continuing is hard.
Yeah.
And that's what separates men from boys, right? And I think brilliant. I want to see that thing in November. Any way we can support and collaborate, we should.
Correct.
Certainly.
Awesome. And I think Jagat, tomorrow also, I think you have some plans to do around the Startup Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Where we're just, Sumit, please, you're most welcome to join in. Yeah, join in. It's all about resource sharing and asking for help. Like you are facing some XYZ challenge. Maybe Jagat or someone else can help out. Someone else might have some input. And build partnerships. I think building partnerships, networks, affiliate marketing, using each other's services, giving testimonials to each other, genuine, honest, ethical testimonials, not lies. Boost yourself, yeah, guys. I mean, I know Jagat will, of course, know that I have this, bone to pick with all you founders. I feel that you all can do much, much more. I mean, Jagat, of course, when he was at NASCOM also, he used to organize all these sessions, events, bring people together. But honestly, Jagat, it's just not enough, isn't it? It's, I mean, when we're talking about 1 million entrepreneurs being able to create, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of companies and thousands and millions of jobs, how do we do it? Right? For example, Jagat has got X amount of employees today. Sumit, you have 16 employees.
Yeah.
Maybe 6 months from now, can we say proudly that we have increased, the employment opportunities that were given to people? So that is a critical element also, isn't it?
Correct, Vijita, totally correct. Like in past 6 months, we have more than doubled our headcounts.
Okay, awesome. So from 8, you have become 16, which is not too bad. But we're talking about so much more, isn't it?
Exactly.
All right. And guys, can I also ask you a question, right? See, today there's a lot of stress, whether it's from the investor, whether it's from the customer, from your own team members or whatever. What do you all do to handle stress? What are some of the hacks or habits that you guys use, Jagat and Sumit?
Sumit, please, first, go ahead.
Okay, so for me, there was one ritual. Either of them, I just lay down on the bed completely and take long breath. Like 6 p.m., 6 to 7 p.m. is me time, sort of thing for me. Okay, and if not that, then I may be listening Brain FM or Calm. Let me type it for you. Okay.
Yeah, type it for us. You have too many resources to share, buddy.
Yeah.
So we like to get all the links and everything, Jagat, from Sumit.
No, yes, Sumit is he's a dynamite.
Yeah. And Sumit, you are also part of that Founders Feed group, which is which is a community, one of the various committees that Jagat's thing, and I'm also you can say, playing a small role in that. Just bring founders together so that we can share resources with each other. Authentic, useful resources. And look, we want to do more and more webinars. I think what Jagat yesterday also did something around Satyagraha and how the startups can be more self-reliant.
Self-reliant,
right? So that's so important, correct? I mean, bootstrapped or whatever. You have to find your own way through. Okay. And Jagat, sorry, Vijita, I want to.
sorry to cut you off. After we finished that yesterday, I think I shared with you, the Prime Minister is talking about the same thing.
Yeah.
Mr. Narendra Modi has come and said that, goodwill, welfare, global welfare.
Yeah.
And today, if you see, Mr. Anand Mahindra has
Yeah.
said the same thing about being social, businesses being social and doing it.
Oh,
So I
it
think,
is. It is. It is. I mean, see, I have been part of large companies, and it was very clear and it was very authentic. Okay, that build communities, build goodwill.
Right.
Try to do as much as you can because we still are in a much better shape, Jagat and Sumit, than most people.
Yeah.
So, what can we do for the community, Jagat? Before you go offline, a very specific thing, right? Video chats, widgets, so that interactions with customers, sales teams to customers. What is your very quick insight and thoughts around how it can be leveraged smartly by founders?
right. I think past 6 months, what we have seen, is this whole big rise of video conferencing. Video conferencing webinars, they've been there for a long time, right? It's not something new. But the fact that it's become such an accessible technology today that everybody, even my parents, 60 plus, people are 75 years old, right until, even the millennials, but much, younger people, teens, the whole video has become like the norm. It's almost like meeting people. Today it is video, right? But webinars and video conferencing don't solve the problem, in my view. That's why if you look at today, Bitphone.me, it's all about growth through video sales. And what's important is that people are able to encompass that customer journey on video. Like what I was telling even to Sumit, more and more people need to know about RTI Wala. And that the way you do that, you can go and do Facebook ads, Google ads. That's pretty expensive.
Correct.
And but you do your own webinar. You as the founder are going out and talking to your audience.
Correct.
Now, brand new people who are never your customers or prospects, they're coming in. Like this is the external kind of community. And then you bring them into your internal community. The moment you get their email or, you come to their mailing list, and then they become your internal circle. Now, these people, it's a lot easier to go one-on-one video chat, or it could be, them, their co-founding team, group call. So I think now we are going to see this video funnel, sales funnel happening.
Correct.
It's not only about, in kind of two directions, video conferencing, webinars. It's going to come together. The customer is going to experience your brand first with video. He's going to gain trust. He will transact in video. And even after that, today we say that the funnel is inverted. The sale, the sale is not the end of the deal. It is the beginning of the customer's journey with you. So
Correct.
that after he has paid you the money, how long can he be your customer? How many more references can he get? How much can he repurchase? This is the magic of video, right? And we will be seeing this. I mean, Akhil and I, obviously, we've been working like freaks. I think all of us, we know that. We've been almost 4.5 years, we've been doing video conferencing and communications. And we were outsiders to this space, right? I just put the prototype. Akhil came and, just took it to a different level.
It's working, right? It's a good journey to be on, Jagat, I think.
Oh, definitely. I want to take one question about the relaxing, about the stress. It's a very important part, right?
Yeah.
Of course, important to have hobbies, right? As an entrepreneur, I think that's very important. People, of course, we're all workaholics. In fact, I was telling Vijeta as well. I have not slept through the night, right? The whole night we've been working. I'm still going through, so I will only sleep probably at 7:38 today. But we work all the time. But I'm also a guitarist. I play golf, and of course now I have my son, so he's like just instant. He's like a beer. You just see him and you're like boom, you're absolutely liberated. And I think most important is family. Yeah? I mean, there is nothing beyond family and close friends. I think, really an entrepreneur is a system. I mean, it really depends on his system and people around him, right? Family, friends, of course, colleagues. So I think every entrepreneur needs to have really good hobbies because that really gives you a good perspective, right? It gives you a lot of ideas and everything. Yeah.
Okay, interesting, Jagat. And hey, Jagat, so what's the plans for the next few months? With what are you guys going to do to keep growing and stay alive, Sumit and Jagat?
Sumit, please. Sumit's a little frozen. Hello.
Yeah, it's frozen. It's okay. Doesn't matter. So, Jagat, what are your plans for next few months? Survival plans.
Well, no survival.
Survival plans. Thriving plans.
We have mastered survival. That is, it's not easy to get us out of this game. The question is now, how are we going to dominate the space? That's really what we look at. We have done survival. You see, 6 months we have survived. Everything's good. And now it's really about domination. And that's really what we would like to do. I think for all the startups, the coming 6 months are going to be very important. Everyone's coming off a really tough time, but I think now is time that a lot of great ideas, a lot of new business models will come. There's a level playing field between large companies and startups today, because the whole assets, like big company office and all this comes to level playing. So
Yeah.
I think it's all about domination, and I think I would quote the Bible here. And
Correct. Bible, not
yeah,
Upanishads.
no, Bible also is very, very powerful, and that they say, "Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth." And I think
No.
now is the time for the meek.
Okay, good, good. And Jagat, we were just talking about a few things. The Ashish's question,
Yeah.
right? About cash crunch, finding a CTO. It's not easy, right? I mean, how do you make yourself worthy for investment or for getting a good CTO or getting some good employees? So what should you be doing when you have, like the big 10, 15, 20 technology companies who can obviously splash more money? How do you make yourself attractive towards talent and towards money? What should be the thought process or the strategy?
Great question. I think, as I said, Akhil, I had three CTOs before Akhil. We had put in a lot of systems in place for, a fresh programmer to come in. And within 21 days, he is really, solid to build web and mobile applications, just 3 weeks. And we have, it was called the NDO, right? It's called the new developer orientation that we have in-house. It's a module that our developers go through. And nearly about, I would say, 30 developers over the past 10 years have gone through that and perfected it. So a CTO, for example, Akhil joined us as a fresh engineer. And I told him the very first day that I'm not hiring you to be an engineer, right? You are a CTO, whether I wouldn't say it's today, but in due course, that's the roadmap, right? But I would say, more than the founder or the CEO, it's really an individualistic thing, right? Not everyone can be a great CTO. Not everybody has it in them to really build, you look at this product that we have built together without kind of boasting, but I would say like, hey, you need hundreds of people to build a video communications company. And Akhil and myself, we've put it together. See, one of the great things about technology, unlike, let's say, construction or manufacturing, 100 developers may not be better than one brilliant developer.
Yeah.
And this is the beauty of technology. A single developer or two developers or a small team, provided they're brilliant, they can take on massive teams. But that's, I think, you have to have very close relationship with your people. Akhil is like family to me, and I hope he feels the same. We never, we do have a lot of disagreements sometimes, and sometimes, me, I mean, obviously, when there are so many things at stake, we need to be very quick sometimes. But, it's like family. We make up very fast. We look at what to be done next. Don't let personalities get in the way, right? Everything is based on the product, based on decisions for the company. And I think once you have people like that aligned, the CEO and CTO are the critical elements of a technology company. Everybody else is
absolutely, Jagat. Tough
CEO,
times.
CTO.
Yeah, but one
Most
has to
important.
manage.
Build them like your family. I mean, don't treat them like employees. Don't treat them this way. They are your family, because startup is like that, right? You really have to go all in together. And that spirit, I think people sense through. People see that. Sometimes, even if I say something strongly, I'm sure Vijay also has heard sometimes, but people know inside who I am, what I do, and I think that's very important. That takes some time, some interactions, right? So give them a long leash, let them have fun. The one thing I did to Akhil, I told him, there are many people who would come into a company and they would have promised all kinds of stuff. And over time, they will see that, hey, their role is kind of very, very small. Okay. But I'm sure even if you ask our CTO, he will say that the thing has only increased. He'll say that, I don't know, I would never thought building this stuff, right? And I tell him that this is only 10% of our journey.
Yeah, so I think that's an important one, right? You have to treat your team well. Hey, Sumit, you have some good news to share with us. What's up?
Yeah, so I just got an email that we made it to the national top 25 startups by My Plus Page program, season 1.
Fantastic. Give you a round of applause.
You should share more of these, man. Damn good, Sumit. Superb.
See, people come to LXS, great things happen.
Yeah, exactly.
Timing is everything, right? Timing is everything. Hey, so I just realized that we have. Continue, Sumit. Listening in.
So, Jagat, I have one very great thing to tell you. Like, you believe it or not, like you being a founder of this startup telecommunication platform, and I have tested almost 90% of the tools available on internet, from Zoom to a remote to AirMate to 10 floor, or you name it, and I have tested it. And believe me, if you want me to rank it, I would rank this Vidphone nothing like it's on the top three. To be honest, it's
Very
at
nice.
the biggest reason for me ranking in top three is that it's very very mobile friendly. It's very lightweight. It's amazing.
Good.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thanks.
It's best
Yeah.
tool
Means
as
a lot.
such.
Means a lot to us, and this is why we build our business. Not really for the money,
Good.
but to hear things like that makes my day. Thanks so much.
Good. Hey, thanks, guys. Hey, thanks, Jagat. So super awesome as
I will leave it to
always.
you.
And I guess something. I hope we're going to see something even more interesting in the next few weeks. Not just with League of Extraordinary Startups, but also with other programs that for the community. Right? It's all about community, bringing the founders
Yeah.
together, trying to give them platforms to talk about what is possible and everything. So thanks so much for this, Jagat, and cheers, man. We have 50
Thank
minutes
you.
into the conversation. It's quite some time. Yeah. Okay. Take care.
I leave you guys. Thank you so much. Have a
Yeah.
great
Hey,
time.
thanks,
Thank you.
Jagat. Cheers, man. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
So I have two more slides to share. It's more
Huh.
of a personal front, more on mistakes I committed, more on learning as such. Okay, let me
Okay.
take you to that.
Good.
Yeah. So
Right.
again, customer experience is everything for us. That's what we care for. And this is my three biggest mistakes learning and the entrepreneurial journey as such. You should keep your ego aside. There are times you don't know what comes first, who may become better than you. So keep your ego aside as such. Then second is make friends, not foes as such. Let the things go. Like there are people who maybe not good to you, who may not treat you well, but don't retaliate. Let the things go. Take it at own course. And third, be the leader, not the manager. Yes, there was time when I had serious integrations with my own core team, but no, I learned the hard way. And luckily every people, one person who joined us on day one are with us again. So we
Yeah.
are be the leader. Let everyone grow alongside you. They may not able to put that much efforts, but don't discard them. Don't discard their efforts as such. Maybe what less for you is most or best for them.
Hmm. I
So
like that. Make friends, not foes. Nice one.
yeah, exactly. There's a time where you want to retaliate, you want to take revenge, but don't do that. Maybe they may realize sooner or later that they were bad, they were wrong. So let make friends, not foes. Let the things go. Yeah,
Nice. Very nice. Very nicely said. Sumit. And I like this. Be the leader, make friends. Just focus on winning, right? Take care of your customers, take care of your team, and that's what you should be focusing on, right, Sumit?
exactly. For us, the customers comes first, then comes the team, then comes the family, and then the myself, the person as such.
Good. Brilliant, Sumit. I think this has been a lot of learnings and insights for me also. You have to convert all these, these resources you put on, you have to make it into a simple sheet with links and everything. Take your time, but that will be really useful for every single founder out here. You're also going to be on YouTube, by the way. So all this is captured and it's going to be shared by Jagat, the Vidphone team. You can also share these resources. So, what are your parting comments, Sumit? I mean, what are your plans? What's going on next months? What do you want to do?
Yeah. So there were you things like major dreams and minor dreams. So I had three major dreams. Two of them are accomplished as of now, and third is in the final stage of accomplishing as such. And it will be in next 2 months. Things would come, and all my three biggest dreams of life would be accomplished by this year as such.
Excellent.
And minor dreams, yes. So Vijita, you may be surprised to know that in month of June, July, you were there taking sessions, and I just asked myself that someday maybe I will Vijita may also take my interview. And then my
I'm honored, brother. I'm honored. Hey, you want to continue your presentation? You had some other
yeah,
slides to show, or you're done?
yeah,
Yeah.
just last one, huh?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. So I said to myself, my brain said to myself that bro, you have to be unicorn, you have to go to Series D, then only he
Oh,
will invite you.
sir, we have to see. I'll tell you something. I have loads of friends, a lot of these founders I know, but we have to do something for people like you who are building a foundation and want to grow to the next level, right? Your story should also be known. In fact, there was this question about what is your story, right? And Time Bangalore, very different. Your story is a media company.
Yeah.
They are, of course, doing fantastic work. They have been doing some beautiful sessions, programs, and all that. While TIE focuses more on fostering entrepreneurs. Okay, our goal, stated goal, our vision, mission, everything is about what can we do for the entrepreneurs in terms of mentoring, helping them with access. Again, I repeat, it's helping them with access because we don't invest in startups, we don't give them funding, but through our various programs which you can apply for. Recently, we did something around education, and then we have been doing some lots of work for women entrepreneurs. And then we have this B2B sales academy for SaaS companies, where sales I feel is one of the most important tools, Sumit.
Yeah.
Like without knowing how to do sales, without preparing your community. See, I like the way you prepared your slides also, right? Very beautiful, very simple. So what tools did you use to prepare your PowerPoint or your slides?
Yeah. Just a minute. First and foremost, my love is Google Slides.
Yeah.
It's the best thing, best tool you can ask out for. Then comes Slide Quest and
And
Slide.
sorry, which, show the slide. Slide. You have to do slide
Yeah.
share.
Yeah. It's a slide. Google Slide is the best tool. Then comes the Slide Quest and Slide Bean. These two are
Okay.
also good.
Okay, good. So all this you will have to put into your tools, huh? Tool sheet.
Yeah. I'm going to create a very
Okay.
massive and
Done.
lucrative tool sheet.
Fantastic. So, but and Sumit, you should also write more blogs. I know you're on Quora, Medium is there. There are so many things that you should be doing. You should do more.
Yeah.
Okay, because like I mean, I think you said you have what 36,000. What is your subscriber database now?
86,000
86,000.
700. Yeah.
Baapre.
6,000 plus. And guess the population of our town is around 30,000 something.
Imagine. So you're about double, triple of that. And also, Sumit, I think you're where you use WhatsApp very extensively. You're part of several WhatsApp groups,
Yeah.
and you're keeping the communication going. So the request for me is also keep fostering these kind of relationships and goodwill with people. It is important. It is necessary.
Yeah.
And God bless you, my friend. I think you'll continue doing very, very well.
Yeah.
I have a lot of respect for what's going on in Madhya Pradesh. We also have our friend Priyank, right? From
Priyank, yeah.
yeah. He's also doing amazing work. I've met some of the startups at Bhopal and Head Start, where I'm a volunteer. They're also having a lot of chapters. They have a chapter in Jabalpur. They have a chapter in Bhopal,
Yeah.
and communities are coming together and trying to do as much as we can. So it's wonderful. It's beautiful. It's a very humbling and positive experience, isn't it?
Yeah. And even like if you ask me name the three organizations which played a very big role, then first comes the Head Start. Okay. Like it was first meeting earlier in 2019, 25th January 2019, where I met people of Bhopal startup ecosystem, and they got to know about, I got to know. So Head Start is first, second comes the TIE, and third comes the NESCOM as such, all the events of NESCOM. So these are the best three organizations in India. Every entrepreneur should know about.
Yeah, there are a lot of, in fact, if whoever is watching in, even a lot of open programs are there, a lot of sessions are there, and open cohorts. For example, Cisco Launchpad has got a cohort that is even now open. NetApp Accelerator has their cohort open. I have shared about the B2B Sales Academy, where we have some top-notch people from the biggest companies coming in and sharing resources, insights, tools, how to do things, etc. So, take advantage. Okay. But
Yeah.
yes, ultimately, Sumit, I'm sure you'd agree that customers are everything. Team is very critical, very important. You got to keep those perspectives in mind. And thank you so much, Sumit. Any closing words, parting words? It's 3 o'clock, so we should not take up more of your time. I totally value that.
Yeah, just last two slides I have with me.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So this was the biggest mistakes as such, and which I said.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Next slide, Sumit.
Yeah.
Oh,
Three biggest suggestions. Okay, observe as much as possible. Okay, then learn. Okay, if you have observed, you have learned, and if you have not applied, then certainly there's no sense of observing and learning. And repeat. Once you start repeating, you will realize that yes, it becomes a part of your habit. Then there's a pattern or a omen, whatever you call. And the soon the best focus you have, the more the focus you are, you will realize that pattern. And once you understood that pattern, everything is so easy. Just a small trick for you. And third, if you ask me what's the entrepreneurship, or I would say it's a step, it's a process of being fearless. you become fearless. Every day comes with a new set of challenges. Okay, and it's just every start a process of being fearless. So that is the final destination we all gonna reach sooner or later. So be fearless, afraid of nothing.
Awesome, awesome.
And this is
Thank
my yeah, and this is if you wish to know more about me, you just Google SUMT7 and there I will be.
Nice one. SUMT7. Good, buddy. I will make you my guru and mentor and coach. I want to learn lots more from you, Sumit.
uh,
Okay,
that, that
fantastic.
that's so nice of you, Vijay. Like that's seriously like I do have one small dream. Like after making an exit 2-3 years down the line, I would be do the profession what you are doing, connecting with entrepreneurs, mentoring them, helping them. That's the best, noblest job anyone could think of.
Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Yeah. And Sumit, look, you have given a lot of value today. I really want to thank you seriously. Okay. And I think also what matters is that you're very passionate, you're very committed, you want to do great things in life. So we'll follow your journey and I will keep talking to you. Thank you so much, my friend. Look after yourself. Okay.
Thank you so much, Vijita, and thank you. A great thanks to Bit team as well. Like they coordinated with me earlier morning yesterday as well, and it was thorough experience for me to be on Lex, share my experiences such, and being in the community of amazing founders as such.
Okay. And any message you want to give for your folks in MP, Madhya Pradesh, all the startups, entrepreneurs, founders, your customers, something that you would like to say?
Just make India great again. That's all.
Awesome. That's beautiful, my friend. Thank you so much. Okay, and thank you to all the people in like Ashish was here. And I mean, yes, Ashish, you must bring in your friends. I hope they like it. The YouTube recording also has been made available already. It's live. And take care, everyone. Enjoy your weekend and happy to stay in touch. I'm easily findable at Vijeta Shastri. I'm on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, whatever it is. And I try my best to keep in touch with people. Sometimes I'm slow. I apologize in advance for that. But take care, guys, and catch up very soon. Sumit, joining tomorrow. All right. We're,
Yeah, yeah.
something, we're doing something in the evening. Just swing by even if it's for 10 minutes. Say hello to everyone. Some more hacks, some more sharing knowledge, and
It's
whatever else you need. All right.
it's
Take care.
yeah, whatever you organize, I will consider I am the one of the volunteer who will be there.
All right, Sarji. Shukriya. Take care, buddy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye
Cheers. Bye, everyone.
bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Jagat and the Vidphone team as well. Bye bye.